Let's take a look at how the Release Advisor tool can help a user plan an upgrade of one of their products. First, the user will select the product which they wish to perform an upgrade for. Here we'll use an example with Windchill. The user will indicate the version of Windchill that they currently have running. Next, the user will enter the additional PTC products and their versions that they currently use. Once they've selected all of their PTC products, they'll be asked to input a few variables, such as their database. Next, they'll enter the operating systems that they use for each of their products. Here they'll indicate the operating system on both the client and the server side. Additional recommendations will also be given to them based on the products they've selected. The user didn't indicate that they are using Windchill REST services, but maybe they are interested in seeing which version of Windchill REST services they'll have to use after performing an upgrade. The tool will now give a suggested upgrading compatibility matrix. This high-level view provides information based on the inputs that the user has selected. For example, the user selected they're currently using Windchill 11.1.2. The tool is going to suggest that the user upgrades to Windchill 12. This suggestion is based on the most recent Windchill version that we have data for in the Release Advisor tool. It will also provide the release date and support dates for the suggested version. The user can then easily identify if the versions of other PTC products that they're using will be compatible once they perform this upgrade. For example, Creo Parametric will no longer be compatible once the user makes the upgrade to Windchill 12. The tool will suggest that the user upgrades to 7.0.2. Navigate will no longer be compatible either, and the tool will suggest the upgrade version for Navigate as well. ArborText will still be compatible. The user is currently using 8.1.0, which is compatible with 12, but the tool will suggest that they upgrade to a more recent release, 8.1.1. For Windchill REST services, the user didn't identify the version that they're currently using, but the tool will alert them that with Windchill 12, the user will have Windchill REST services 2.0. Similar information can be seen for the database and operating system of these products. For example, for Windchill PLM, the customer is currently using Windows 7 on the client side, which will no longer be supported, so they'll need to upgrade to Windows 10 once they make the upgrade to Windchill 12. Similar information is listed for the server operating system. This report can be exported and will reflect only the inputs that the user gave. Going back to the tool, we can see a more detailed report than the one that's listed based on their variables. To see this, we'll click on the Release Matrix link. Launching the Release Matrix for Windchill 12, we can see a much more detailed view, which encompasses all the compatibility information for Windchill, not just that which is based on the user's inputs. Here we can see the product calendar, PTC product interoperability with other PTC product families, such as Windchill SSE, ArborText, and ThingWorks, operating system compatibility for both the server side and client side, application compatibility, which indicates compatibility with third-party applications such as database, JDK, and browser. And lastly, component compatibility, which indicates compatibility of PTC-developed components that ship with a core product. This new release matrix can also be exported into a PDF report and should make it easier for users to understand the compatibility across multiple PTC products.